Oh, what's up? I didn't see you there. It's your boy, Mr. FlavorSavor, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make some chicken in a white wine and mushroom cream sauce. Let's get started. Alright guys, so for this recipe, we're gonna go ahead and get 3 thin sliced chicken breasts. We're gonna get some butter, a whole lot of butter. Some mushrooms. I got the pre-sliced mushrooms. Whatever you prefer is it's use whatever you like. I got a medium shallot chopped up. I got 3 pieces of garlic chopped up, and I got some parsley. I got 2 potatoes. I usually go 1 potato per person. I got white wine. Got some heavy cream. I got some chicken stock in here. You could use vegetable stock if you like. Chicken stock is my favorite. Got some adobo seasoning. Some cayenne pepper, cause you know we gotta keep things a little extra over here. Some black pepper, and I also got some all-purpose flour. I got a large enough plate, and I just it doesn't matter, just enough. We're gonna coat our chicken in it. So I got 3 thin sliced chicken breasts here. I'm gonna get some adobo seasoning, and I'm gonna sprinkle some on. Get some cayenne pepper. Sprinkle that on. Whatever amount you like, you know, the more you put, the spicier it gets. I like to keep it spicy, so. And then some black pepper. Boom. Get some saran wrap. Some plastic wrap. Place it over your chicken. Now get some heavy and start pounding it. Flip them and do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright guys, so let the chicken sit for a little bit. Let's get started with the mashed potatoes. Now you're gonna get a small pot and turn the stove on to medium high. Add our 2 cups of chicken stock into the pot. So get your chicken stock to a boil. If you're wondering why I'm boiling the potatoes and chicken stock, just try it. It tastes so much more better. And then as the chicken stock reduces, it just builds up all that flavor with the potato, and then all the excess chicken stock, we're gonna actually take it and then add it to our chicken, which is gonna be just some crazy flavors going on. Now the chicken stock came to boil, add your potatoes in. I just sliced them thin like this, they cook faster. Now we're gonna let these potatoes cook on medium high. Now we're gonna let these potatoes cook for about 10 minutes. Now while this is cooking, let's go get started with our chicken. We got a pan and we cranked it to medium high. Now it's hot enough, we're gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of butter. You don't want the butter to burn, so I cranked it down to a medium and it just all melted already. So we're gonna get our chicken. So grab a piece of chicken and then just lightly coat it in the flour, just like that. Boom. Now just add it to the pan. Now I got 3 pieces of chicken. They're big pieces. I think it could only fit 2 in here, so I'm gonna do 2 batches. Now we're gonna cook this. We're not gonna fully cook it all the way through. We just want a nice brown on one side and the other side. And then once we get that nice brown, we're gonna put it to another plate. So you want a color like this. Like, look how nice and beautiful that looks. Now go ahead and just flip it. Now remember, you don't want to cook this all the way through right now, because we're going to finish cooking it in the sauce. It's been about 2 minutes, so I got a nice color. Now I'm going to transfer it to another plate. And I'm going to finish the last one off. On both sides of the third piece. Now I'm gonna go put that on the plate. Now grab your shallots, throw your shallots in. Now once you cook your shallots for about a minute, go ahead and throw another piece of butter in, another tablespoon, and add your garlic. Now we let our garlic cook for about a minute. You don't want to cook it too much or it's going to be really bitter. You don't want that. You don't want to burn it. Now go ahead and add in about a quarter cup of white wine. You can add in your mushrooms. Now I totally forgot to add them before the white wine, but it's totally fine. I was supposed to add the mushrooms before I added the wine, but I guess we'll have steamed mushrooms instead with it. Alright guys, while our mushrooms are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and check our potatoes, and they're done. It took 10 minutes. You know, I sliced them thin so they cook faster. Alright guys, so what I did was I strained the potatoes and I have the leftover chicken stock right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the mushrooms. Add in half of your parsley. Let this cook for about a minute to get it all boiled up together. Now what you want to do is add in a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt in. Now once our butter that we added was melted in, we're going to add in a quarter cup of heavy cream. Mix that all together. Once you mix it all together, grab the chicken that we cooked. We're going to add that in. And add in all that extra juice that accumulated. Get a nice flip on them. Now once you do this, go ahead and cover it. Bring it down to a medium low, and we're gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. Now while our chicken is cooking, we're gonna get our potatoes. We're gonna add in a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of butter, depending on how much butter you like. The more butter, the better. Add some heavy cream, about a quarter cup. We're gonna do about a teaspoon of black pepper. Mash it up. We're gonna mash it up on low. Now if you got some Parmesan cheese or some fresh roasted garlic, you could add that into here too. But I'm just keep it basic because I really want to taste that sauce that we're making with the chicken. Now since we cooked this in chicken stock, the canned chicken stock has a lot of sodium in it. So once you're done mashing it, you want to then check for salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and just check for salt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I need some salt. So you can add salt to your tasting. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so. I want to eat this right now. I have to wait. I have to tame myself. Ain't none like a fresh mashed potato. Now it's been about 5 minutes. Open it up. Give it a nice stir. Now, adobo seasoning has salt in it, but right now you could go ahead and taste it and see if you would like to add more salt. So that's I'm about to do that right now and see if it needs a little bit more salt. Now for me, that's perfect for my taste. Now if you like a little bit more salty, go ahead and add salt. Now it's time to plate it up. Damn, that looks good. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Get a little bit of that mashed potato. Oh yeah. This bite is gonna be awesome. Let's go ahead and try this. Now cut a nice piece. You see that steam? I'm gonna dip it into some mashed potatoes so you get a little bit of everything. You got a mushroom, piece of chicken, some sauce, and the mashed potato. Oh, it's time. Oh. Seriously, yo. Oh my god. Like it's not like 100 ingredients that goes into this. It's freaking awesome. Like if you're trying to impress somebody, make this. It's so easy. Like it's so good. Another bite. The sauce. God damn. Now remember guys, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. If you want to see a recipe done, leave a comment. I'll read it. I'll do it. Now, the world is your flavor, so make it taste it. See you in the next one.